have a new guest today. This is Frau Tagtraum.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to my channel. And you love latex, but you said to me you want to try silicone.
Yes. I was so curious about it, and I'm like, I'm so excited to try it.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I have a catsuit for you. We have some new masks from Feturax, however. And let's start. Or before we start, you want to touch it first?
Yes. Maybe I don't know. I don't think so.
So these are the catsuits.
Oh my god,
I can give you this one. They also have new colors, so I'm going to try a red one today.
Okay. And can I take it out?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it probably needs help. Okay. Definitely heavier than a latex catsuit.
Yes.
And a lot of scratchiness. Oh my god, so cool.
First impression, how does the material feel?
It's interesting, it feels so thick in comparison to latex, and it's softer and heavier, but I'm even more curious now to try it.
So, and this is a neck and tree catsuit. So you have to squeeze through the neck, but I mean it's really stretchy.
Okay.
And I've worn it, and Fixie worn it, so you should fit in there too.
Okay.
Just watch your hair, because silicone likes to stick to hair.
Yes.
But other than that, I will give you this, the water-based lubricant, to lube yourself up and get into it.
So sliding in like
okay. I will get into this one, and I will see each other again.
Yeah, okay. In a few hours.
And we're back. We're dressed. Alright, how was it dressing this suit?
It was an interesting experience.
Good or bad? Interesting?
No, it was actually good. So it was different than putting on a latex catsuit, because it was like so stiff and with a lot of like lube. It was like sliding and you had to pull like harder, and it was heavy. So if you like tried to like pull it up, it was like sliding down again, and you had like it was like a little bit of like a stress situation. But then as soon as it was like over the hips, it was like easy to just put it on. Yeah, it was amazing.
How does it feel compared to latex? Because you wear a lot of latex, you like latex. How is this?
This is also, it's different, but it's still amazing. Because it's tighter. I like that it's like more like a hugging feeling, because it's so heavy, like you have those heavy blankets you put on for like comfort. Yeah, it's kind of like this, so like more tight, more heavy, and I actually like the feeling of it. So it's different but kind of similar.
Okay. Yeah. So what do you like better? I know that's a big question.
I mean, I think I have to wear that more often to make a conclusion, but now I would say latex. But that's super interesting, and I mean, probably would need some different things for me to have it like actually wearing it for like hours. Yeah. But like for like a shooting or like a little bit of a time, it's nice and comfy. So good first impression. Yeah,
that was the important part. So we're wearing the smallest size. We're both wearing the same size. Let's just like turn around. And since it's so stretchy, it adjusts to the body really nice. So it's still tight and looks good either way. And we have also a shiner. So if you want to shine it up, this is the matching shiner. Just up to you. Yeah, you can put it on your hand and just
give me a little bit of shine.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just like latex.
Yeah.
Like you make it more shiny.
Yes, you can wear it matte or shiny, either way. Need more?
Pretty.
No, you're half shiny.
Half shiny. I can't turn around.
I mean, you can check in the mirror the difference, like.
I mean, it's pretty shiny as well, but I also like it matte. I think both works well.
You have to, like, back is matte.
Shiny. Matte. Shiny.
Alright, and since you probably want a full look, let's try a mask.
Yes.
I mean, you also wear latex hoods, so that is not a problem for you?
No.
No.
I mean, kind of. So I have a horny situation, and I have body mods. I have body mods, so I'm sometimes with like latex hoods because they're so tight.
Yeah.
I get a headache. So I'm curious if it's different with the silicone hoods.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Which one do you want to try first?
I think I go with this because this one has no eyes.
Alright. Okay, so for the hood I recommend to use talcum powder, so you don't ruin your hair and makeup.
Okay.
You would with the loop, then you would be like squishy. So I'm just sprinkling that inside the hood normally. Like a generous amount because
I'm just shaking up.
more is better. Yeah, a bit. Not too much. And I have a wig cap for you because it's easier if not not as much hair is touching the talcum. Wow, now we have. Maybe it was too much talcum.
Like first with my chin?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to put it on your chin and hold it there, and I will pull it over your head. It's white.
Okay, that was easy. Oh,
Wait, let me just the color. All right.
Okay, I can't speak.
Yeah, there's something inside. You should check out the Feturax webpage if you want to know more, because we're not going to show this here. All right. Can you see anything?
I can see a little bit.
Yeah, the tiny
it's not
holes.
clear, but I can see a little bit.
So you could move around without running into things.
Yeah, slow, but yeah.
And how does it feel? Is it tight? Is it wide?
It's comfortable. It's not too tight, but I also have not a lot of movement. So it's squishy, but it actually feels good.
Nice. You look a bit like alien cat. I like that. Do you want to wear some gloves as well?
If you have some, you
Yeah.
have a full experience.
Then loop time it is. Because I have these nice gloves which have fingernails basically.
Oh, yum yum.
And the second one. Well. Okay. No, I don't see any skin anymore. I would say look at yourself in the mirror, but I doubt you'll see much.
I can see myself.
You can? Nice.
That's cute.
You look really cute, definitely. Like the little alien cat, yeah, that's definitely the term for it. Nice. I think we're going to take some pictures now before you can take the mask off again.
Okay.
Yeah. That's how you look when you take the mask off and use too much talcum.
Well, I think I look pretty.
You do.
It's probably good skincare.
Yeah. If you have oily skin, then definitely.
It's dry forever now.
Alright, you can't see anything now,
Yeah.
but you switched to the second mask, but you can like talk still.
I can still talk, yeah.
Yeah, and I can see your mouth through the hole here. But it looks funny, it looks like a, what did we just say, naughty Knofenser?
Or like Pingu.
Pingu. No. Yeah, I think it's really fun. One, the O-rings here are for decorative reasons. Can you turn around once?
Oh,
Stop! Alright. Okay, since you can't really see yourself, we're going to take some pictures so you can have a look at the pictures afterwards. And then, yeah, I'll help you out of it again. Okay, so would you wear it again?
Definitely yes.
That is nice, so, because if you would have come here to try silicone and would have said, "Ooh, I don't like it," I would have been sad. But
yeah, but it would be also a good experience,
Yeah.
because then I would know I don't like it.
yeah, but even better that you do like it. Which mask was your favorite?
The second one, because it was more comfortable and better fitting. The cat mask was a little bit looser, but at least I could see something through it. So, but yeah, the second one was fun and more unique.
Yeah. Feturax has a lot of masks, so check out their homepage. I have a discount code, which I will write down below in the description text. I will also link all of your socials. You have Instagram, for example, so you can check out her accounts too. And yeah, I have to say thank you again for joining me. I hope now you know what you can go wish for Christmas.
Yeah, I think I have to put it on my
on your wish list.
naughty list.
The naughty list. Okay, thanks again, and yeah, I will see you at home in the next video, and I hope I'll see you soon again.
Yeah.
By the way, we know each other for a while now. I think the first time we did pictures together, we can show you these pictures.
Yeah, you have to attach them on the video. It's a long time ago.
It was 2016, 17, something
Yeah, I think
like
it's
that.
like around like 10 years ago.
Yeah, we looked a bit different back then. So yeah, we saw each other a lot actually this year. We ran into each other at a lot of events, so really happy that you could join me today again.
Thank you for the invite.
Yeah, I'll see you again soon probably as well. Alright. Have a nice day. Bye.